Well, we often talk about what can be an alternative use of the central vacuum system. And today, we are going to Piedmont to visit an installer and see what he has realized in his company. Let's go. So here we are with Katia from Perone Impianti. We have finally got around to revealing the anticipation we talked before. Perone Impianti is an electrician who has been installing SistemAir for several years. He's a specialist in domestic systems and then had the idea of using the central vacuum system in his company. Right, Katia?
Correct. We have installed and are still installing several central vacuum systems at our private customers' homes. And we decided to use this system at our headquarters because we realized how important cleanliness is, especially for the elimination of microdust. There are good vacuum cleaners on the market, but they definitely do not do this type of service.
I would like to ask you a question, which is always the one that gets a little bit further away from getting a system. Here you have built a central vacuum system in your warehouse that is totally external, so your business, I suppose, was already existing. Was it complicated to integrating it inside your warehouse, or is it something that, in your opinion, affordable?
So we haven't touched anything on the building side, so what has been installed has been done without massive masonry work, just with external pipe network, thanks to which we have been able to create more vacuum points. Very advantageous for our company, especially in the warehouse, because consider how important it is to clean the goods that arrive. In a flash you can clean the material as well as the trucks, equipment and everything else.
This means optimizing time, of course, and offering to customers a good-looking and top-quality product because it's kept clean, but at the same time, you have not only chosen a central vacuum system for your warehouse but also for the administrative areas of your offices, correct?
Absolutely yes. Again, without changing the existing wall structure, we created 3 inlet valves in the offices as well. Very important too, because I think that cleanliness is the best business card.
And how can you blame you? Thank you again. Thank you Katia and Perone Impianti for hosting us and for being able to make this video reference of an excellent SistemAir system. See you next time.
Thank you.